Let us see how to join two clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. So in this hard drive we have got two clips. So let us say this one and this one. So I want to combine or join these two clips together in Adobe Premiere Pro. To do this, what you have to do is just select these two clips and drag and drop on the timeline. Okay, so just drag and drop it over here. And then if this clips frame rate or the dimensions are not matching the sequence settings, then this particular dialog comes up. So based upon your preference, you can either keep existing settings or change sequence settings. And then that's it. The two clips have already been joined over here, you can see. So I'm just gonna zoom into the timeline and you can see that this is the first clip, okay, and this is the second clip that has been already added. And you can drag and create some space between these if you want, or if you don't want any space, just drag it near that clip and then that's it. The two clips are now joined. That's it. Thanks for watching.